चर्चा होगी, उसके मालिक पर भी चर्चा होगी और उसकी कार्रवाई पर भी चर्चा होगी। तो मैं आपसे विनम्रता पूर्वक अनुरोध करूंगा कि इस चर्चा को बैठ जाओ।
Honorable member, one second. I've taken your point. आपका point मैंने ले लिया है।
मैंने पॉइंट क्लियर कर दिया है
जी
कि अगर भारतीय वायुयान विधेयक पर चर्चा होगी तो जो लोग उसके ऑपरेटर प्रमोटर दोनों हैं, क्या बिना उनका नाम लिए चर्चा हो सकती है? एक चीज। और दूसरा, क्या अडानी वर्ड पार्लियामेंट्री है या अनपार्लियामेंट्री?
Honorable member Shri Tiwari ji, I'll come to you in a second. Let me just, yes please, Honorable Minister.
सर, ही इज ट्राइंग टू मिसलीड द हाउस। कोई किसी का मालिक नहीं है सर, ये पूरा जमीन सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट का पास है और हम लीज पे ही देते हैं, वो ऑपरेट के लिए देते हैं। कोई मालिक ऐसे नहीं बन जाता सर। दिस होल लैंड इज विद द सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट इटसेल्फ, सो ही हैज टू टेक बैक हिज वर्ड्स।
Honorable members, let me make it very clear. Okay, I've heard you. I've heard you. I'm not allowing any more of the members. I'll go to. No, please, Mani Dangi ji, I am making a very clear ruling. As per Rule 110, whatever is part 110. पहले मैं 110 पे हूँ. Mani Jangra ji, बैठ जाइए. As per 110, whatever is within the scope of the bill will be examined. And whatever wasn't within the scope, because it was not only referring to the operator, there were several references made which talked about foreign policy as well. You would admit, sir. I agree with you on the point that you are saying on operator. Honorable member will authenticate every statement here. So my ruling is very clear on Rule 110. I hope the entire House is in agreement on that as far as my ruling is concerned. As far as point Rule 238 of Mani Jangra ji, what is the point of order?
238 में
238
ये क्लियर है कि किसी सदस्य के विरुद्ध
माननीय जांगरा जी कौन सा सबसेक्शन?
238 का 2
ओके।
किसी सदस्य के विरुद्ध व्यक्तिगत दोषारोपण नहीं करेगा।
ओके।
नंबर 5, उच्च प्राधिकार प्राप्त वाले व्यक्तियों के आचरण पर तब तक कोई आक्षेप नहीं करेगा जब तक कि चर्चा उचित शब्दों में रखे गए मूल प्रस्ताव पर आधारित ना हो।
Your point of order is well taken. Whatever are the references which are not parliamentary will not be there. Thank you. Rulings made. Honorable member, please continue.
सर, मुझे ये नहीं समझ में सर।
Absolutely, I take your point. He is referring to the other thing.
सर, मुझे ये नहीं समझ में आ रहा कि इसमें अनपार्लियामेंट्री क्या था। क्या बिजनेस क्या अडानी अनपार्लियामेंट्री था? क्या बिजनेस प्रमोटर अनपार्लियामेंट्री था? क्या हमारी फॉरेन पॉलिसी को इस तरह से स्ट्रक्चर किया जा रहा कि एक आदमी के बिजनेस को प्रमोट करने के लिए, क्या ये अनपार्लियामेंट्री था? मैं जानना चाहता हूं क्या अनपार्लियामेंट्री है। मैं जानना चाहता हूं क्या सर, क्या ये सच नहीं है? क्या ये सच नहीं है कि हमारे प्रधानमंत्री बांग्लादेश जाते हैं, वहां पे अडानी को कॉन्ट्रैक्ट मिलता है, श्रीलंका जाते हैं, वहां पे कॉन्ट्रैक्ट मिलता है, मलेशिया जाते हैं, वहां पे कॉन्ट्रैक्ट मिलता है, सिंगापुर जाते हैं, कॉन्ट्रैक्ट मिलता है।
Those are not going on record. Honorable leader of the house, I'm sorry, I cannot allow you this way. No, you are sensationalizing now. Now you are sensationalizing. Honorable, no, one second. Honorable leader of the house, 1 second.
मैं फिर से कांग्रेस के नेताओं से निवेदन करूंगा कि चर्चा के स्तर को नीचे न उतारे और चर्चा को चर्चा लायक रखे। And I said, Mr. Nasir, you are a senior leader and you should maintain the dignity of the House as well as in your words and speech.
Honorable member, please continue. Honorable member, please continue. Speak on the aircraft bill.
Sir, nothing is unparliamentary in this. Nothing is unparliamentary in this.
Please continue.
I have not used a single word that is unparliamentary, sir.
1 second.
As an ambassador of somebody, can it be said like this?
Sir, I'll tell you.
Can it be said like this?
Sir, I'm authenticating.
It cannot be done, sir.
It will not be part whichever is not relevant. Please continue. Continue, member.
Is it not true that this person whom I am naming was taken in the same aircraft by the Prime Minister to several places, to several countries?
Honorable member,
is it not true? Is it not true wherever our Prime Minister went, in that country the person has got contract? Is it not true that the Sri Lankan official has officially said that there was a call from the highest office of our land to the Rashtrapati of Sri Lanka? Is this not true? Is this not true? And why is this
Honorable
why is this government so scared of Adani? Why is this
Honorable
government so
member,
scared of
we are
Adani?
going off the track here. We are going off the track here.
And he should remember that he should talk on facts.
Rule 110. Please speak on the bill. Manye Nasir ji, you are a senior
speaking on the
member.
bill, sir.
Please speak on the bill. If
speaking
you
on
go
the bill.
around.
Sir,
This is
I am
not-
speaking on the bill.
Yes, please.
Adani has got 6 airports against the advice of Niti Aayog in this country. Against the advice of Niti Aayog.
You'll
When
have to
there
authenticate all those.
Sir, please allow me to speak,
You
sir.
need to authenticate,
Sir,
that's
yes,
all.
sir, that will be authenticated. Sir, please allow me to speak. When this person has got 6 airports against the wishes, against the advice of Niti Aayog, and there are bribery charges against this person from different countries, shouldn't we investigate in this matter whether this person has bribed to get these 6 airports? Shouldn't we investigate this member? Shouldn't we investigate in this? We have to investigate. We have
Honorable
to
member,
investigate
this is not within the
holistically.
provisions of the bill that we are talking about.
Yes,
Please,
sir.
Please
This should
continue.
include. This should also be included.
Please proceed.
This should
Please proceed.
also be
Please
included
proceed.
in that.
Please proceed.
सर तो बिल पे ही मैं बात कर रहा हूं. जितना ये सरकार दंडोरा पीट रही है, जितना अपनी पीठ थपथपा रही है कि हमने इतने एयरपोर्ट्स बना दिए, कि हमने इतना ये ट्रैफिक बढ़ा दिया, तो मैं इनसे ये भी पूछना चाहता हूं, ये ट्रैफिक तो बढ़ा है, बड़ी कंट्री, ये ट्रैफिक बढ़ेगा, एयरपोर्ट्स भी बढ़ेंगे. एयरपोर्ट्स पे कितने फाउंडेशन स्टोन्स कौन डाले थे वो भी पता है. लेकिन जो हमारे प्रधानमंत्री कह रहे थे, जो मैं भी कह रहा था कि हवाई चप्पल वाले हवाई जहाज पे दिखाई देना चाहिए, वो दिखाई देने के लिए तो टिकटें का रेट भी तो कम होना चाहिए. आप इतनी मोनोपोली क्रिएट कर दिए हैं. सिर्फ 2 एयरलाइंस के हाथ में सारे एयरक्राफ्ट्स हैं. एयरक्राफ्ट कैरियर सिर्फ 2 इट्स मोनोपोलाइज्ड बाय ओनली 2 कंपनीज. तो आपके हाथ में क्या रहा? कैसा आप जो है हवाई चप्पल वाले को हवाई जहाज में लेके जाएंगे? एयरक्राफ्ट और एयर कैरियर्स are monopolized by 2 companies. Airports monopolized by 1 person. So how will you help the common man? How will you help the Hawaii Chappal wala? So what the Prime Minister says and what the senior ministers in this government says and what is happening is completely different, sir. So that is the reason why we are saying why only 1 person is being promoted in this industry. I'll not talk about other industries because we'll come to it later on when those bills come up. So why only 1 person is being promoted? Why 1 person is only being helped in this industry? When there are bribery charges against him.
Honorable member, again we are going on that track.
In Hindenburg report,
You are saying so nicely on the bill.
clear. Don't you think it is very clear in the fresh charges that have come up? What are the opposition parties asking for? We are asking for a joint parliamentary committee to investigate into
Honorable
the bribery
member,
charges
again you are
against this
going on the
person.
other track.
We also want to know
please come
whether
back
these
on the
6
topic.
airports were
Under the scope of the
given to
debate.
him after taking bribe. Did he use the same mechanism, same tactics
Honorable
to
member,
get these 6
you're
airports?
not going on the...
Say, why it is not going
Honorable
to? This
member,
is related
please.
to. Sir, this is related to aviation bill.
You speak of the aviation bill.
That's what I'm speaking, sir. Sir, here is a person who has been indicted in bribery charges. So I am asking, when against the wishes of Niti Aayog, when 6 airports and finance ministry, against the wishes of Niti Aayog and finance
You'll have to
ministry,
authenticate all that.
now, when 6 airports have been given, we want to know whether this person has employed the same tactics which he has done in that solar wala thing to get the 6 airports. We
Honorable
want this to be
member.
investigated. That is why
We
we
have
are
4
saying.
more minutes. Let's come to the point.
That is why we are saying we are very clear. We want to have a comprehensive discussion and investigation.
Honorable member, the bill is not about any investigation. The bill is about Vayuyan.
Sir, please allow me to speak. See, that's why we say we want to have a comprehensive
think we'll have to move on.
discussion